So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Johnson & Johnson stock on Moomoo. So once the Moomoo app's opened up, what I want you to do is to go to the top right, press on the magnifying glass, and at the top here, type in ticker symbol JNJ for Johnson & Johnson. Once that is here, press on JNJ. Now once you're here, go to the bottom left and press on the orange trade button, then press on buy. Now once you're here, if you wanted to go ahead and buy, make sure that buy is highlighted green. You can change your session type you're wanting to buy this in. You can also change the order type as well. The options are limit or market. You can also go to the quantity, so if you wanted to buy one share for instance, the cost will be right below. And if you want to proceed this way with the transaction, press on buy and follow the steps. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Johnson & Johnson stock, ticker symbol JNJ on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching. I hope this video helps.